Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset WordPress website without any plugin. So let's begin. So as you can see here, I am currently in my WordPress dashboard. However, if you don't have a WordPress account already, make sure that you check the link in the video description to get started with a free account. So you have to make sure that you are also logged into your WordPress dashboard in order to perform the reset. Now in WordPress dashboard, go to the left side sidebar and then scroll down to settings. Hover over settings, then go and select general from here. After you have selected general, you will find the general settings. And in general settings, we will scroll down bottom. And on the bottom side, we will find an option which is called reset your site. So we are going to click on reset your site from here. And now we need to type down our domain to confirm that we actually want to reset our site. So I'm going to copy this domain right over here. Alright, so I have copied my domain and typed down exactly what's needed to reset my website. Now I'm going to click on reset site. So as you can see, after I clicked reset site, my site was resetted successfully. That is how you can reset your WordPress website without use of any plugin. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.